Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. Thank you for coming to this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Liliana Ayu Widianingrum. I'm from 11 Maret University. I would like to share to you about my paper today. It is about implementation of problem-based learning model and Google Classroom media on student critical thinking ability in the COVID-19 pandemic. The first time I will start about my presentation from introduction. For the second, method. For the third, result and discussion. For the last, conclusion. First, introduction. Critical thinking ability is a skill that must be possessed by students in the 21st century. The result of survey by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, the result of the survey PISA in 2018, reporting that student thinking skills are very low. Indonesia is ranked 73 out of 79 countries. Definition: critical thinking. The ability to manage information that involves identification problem so that students can find the cause of an event, think logically, assess the impact of an event, find solution, and arrive at conclusion. Indicators of critical thinking skill by Ennis are divided into 5 categories: clarification, support, asking and answering questions, advanced clarification, and strategies and tactics. In fact, in the field there are still forms of one-way teaching and learning. The learning process in one direction only emphasizes the cognitive aspect of student, while the emotional and psychological aspect of student are not considered. Learning will be well realized by student if the teacher uses a learning model that involves all students. The COVID-19 pandemic affects various areas of life, including education, culture, and the local economy. During the COVID-19 pandemic, learning at all levels takes place at each student home and is carried out through online media. Teachers can learn to use a learning method, namely learning to use information and communication technology. Teachers can use social media such as WhatsApp, Google Classroom, Zoom, and other social media as a means of learning. The second is method. Research method is descriptive method and collected various documented related to the learning model problem-based learning and Google Classroom media during the COVID-19 pandemic. Research technique is literature review. The type of research is library research, and the sort of the research is national and international article from Google Scholar related to the topic of problem at various levels of education. For the third is result and discussion. The results show a literature review of 10 articles cite 8 articles show that the problem problem-based learning model and Google Classroom Media can improve student critical thinking skill during the COVID-19 pandemic. And two articles show that the problem-based learning model and Google Classroom Media do not there is a significant influence on aspect on student critical thinking skill during the COVID-19 pandemic. Discussion. The research by Ernie and Sauri, one of the learning model that can be used in online learning during a pandemic is the model problem-based learning. A learning model that can explore student ability and skill, especially in terms of exploring critical thinking skill in the model problem-based learning. Pepo et al. Problem-based learning is a learning model that provides a problem related to everyday life as a first step in learning, and the teacher guides students to find rock problem solving, critical thinking, and problem solving skill. The result by Colby and Sabaharayuningsih shown that PBL model is able to develop student critical thinking skill as a step towards solving problem and being able to draw conclusion based on their understanding. Google Classroom is a mixed learning medium that makes it easy for teachers to share and grade each assessment paperless. Google Classroom also helps teachers save time and improve communication with students in learning when the students are not in class. The result by Suhidi et al. Shown that Google Classroom is an online learning media or online class to make it easy for teachers to give assessment and grouping without using paper. And the result by Okmawati shown that Google Classroom is one of the discovery learning media because it allows students to maximize the ability to sort, understand, explore, analyze, and present learning outcomes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a main point for material of the day is problem-based learning model can improve student critical activities, familiarize them with problem, and develop critical thinking skill. Google Classroom is an app to allow teachers to create online classroom. The purpose of using Google Classroom is as an effective learning tool, as it helps students improve their learning by actively participating in online discussion and assessment. Thank you.